These pumpkins, $14.98 a bag of gourds. These are some real pumpkins here. Let's see what's going on with the some cute little, can't think of the names, but these cute little pots here. How much are those? I'm not showing. Let's see. $24.98 for these mums, garden mums. And these pots here. I need some pansies. Let's see what the pansies are looking like. Here, let me see. These are $14.98. Somebody done got all the collard green plants, because I looked online and they said they were in store. And there's none here, but that's all right. I love crotons.